Hey everybody, it's your girl Days back with another video, and today's video we're doing a hair tutorial. Here's my client. So we're going to be doing it on non-African American hair. You know the products that I use, Shine and Jam. Everybody knows this. Then we have my red one, Aqua Wax. Today I'll be using the violet, the purple one. This one smells like grape. Really nice. And it has a really good hold as well. You're going to be needing a rat tail comb, a crochet hook, as well as some elastic bands, the small black ones. Of course, you're going to be needing some scissors, hair shears. Last item needed is the hair, which my client purchased from Amazon. We used about 7 packs total, 2 strands of passion twist hair per twist. This is how the hair comes out of the package. Very, very nice. It's actually pretty soft. I wasn't expecting how soft it would be. Let's get started. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I complete these passion twists on straight hair. This is definitely not my first time working with straight hair, but it definitely is for the camera. I pre-parted the roll off camera, so now I'm just sectioning off the boxes that I want, and I'm going to rubber band each section. Nobody wants to watch a 30-minute video, so we're gonna move this right along. I am going to rubber band the whole head, so it'll be easier and faster for me to install these passion twists. Let's go! I'm just taking my time and I'm parting out the rows, and I make sure that my parts are even. I am also creating the block part, also known as the window part. This will help make the braids look full due to the fact that the braids are resting between each other. So I am going to be finishing up the back of her head, and once this is finished, we are going to start getting these passion twists in. I'm going to be doing a mini tutorial, so if you want to learn how to do this, keep watching. You're probably wondering what I meant by I said this wasn't my first rendezvous with straight hair, because I've actually been braiding since I was 13. I started braiding my own hair when I was about 10 years old. Now, how I started braiding, this is a story for another time, but in today's video, we're going to be focusing on passion twists. Moving right along, so here is the completed look of the boxes. As you can see, they are window parted, so they're not completely resting on top of each other. They're more like in between. Look at that, so neat. So now you're going to take your crochet needle and you're going to insert it into the box behind the rubber band. Grab your spring twist hair, you're going to insert it on top of the hook, then proceed to close the latch, pull through. Just like that. You're gonna find the hole, the center of the hair strand, and you're gonna pull one side all the way through. Having done so, you are going to take a small piece of that hair and you are going to start wrapping the base of that section. So you're gonna continue wrapping to your desired spot where you want to stop, and then we are going to separate the hair for twisting. So I'm gonna take that strand and I'm gonna put it beneath my thumb, separate it into 2, take a little bit of edge control or whatever product you're going to be using, and I'm going to start rotating each side in opposite directions to keep the hair from unraveling, and also to keep the hair neat, firm, and sleek, period. Here I'm showing you guys how I twist in opposite directions to create a firm twist. Once I reach the end of her natural hair, I take a rubber band and I'm going to band it so her hair does not come through the twist and it lasts long. Just a little recap, you're going to insert your crochet hook into the client's hair, behind the rubber band, get your crochet hair, attach it onto the hook, just like that. Then you're going to close your latch, then you're going to pull through all the way. You're gonna take the hook off, separate, find the middle of the hair, pull all the way through. Then you go ahead and take a small section and wrap the base of that section. Once you wrap the base of the section to where you want it to stop, you go ahead and separate the hair into 2 pieces along with the client's hair, and you are going to begin twisting the hair in opposite directions to create a tight, firm passion twist. Continue twisting all the way to the end of the client's hair, and you are going to band it with an elastic band. Once you do that, you're going to continue twisting down the rest of the strand. And that, my friend, is how you do passion twists with a twist. So now I'm just gonna let you guys watch me work, because baby, why not? It's just so satisfying to watch me do my own work, my own craft. Like, I did that. Like, I really did that. It's coming out so beautifully, guys. And this style probably took me about maybe 4 hours to complete. So nothing major. And I really enjoyed doing this style. My client definitely enjoyed her hairstyle when it was completed. Like, it was a whole new look for her. Especially the color. We were trying something new. And yeah, it was pretty exciting to try this color. I thought it was so cute on her. So now we're just going to be finishing up. I completed all the passion twists, so I'm just putting some mousse, a little bit of hairspray just to keep it intact. For those of you wondering, this is the mousse that I use. This is the brand. It's called Vigora, and it has olive oil in it. So let's just recap on how I just applied this mousse to her scalp. Like, this is oddly satisfying. I just love doing this to my clients. They always react and they're like, it's so cool. They just love how it feels. And boom. Get into the slow-mo, babies. Get into the slow-mo. A moment of silence, because just look at it. Just look at this. If you've made it this far, I want to say thank you so much for watching my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you aren't, welcome back to the Unique Gang. And thank you so much for supporting my small channel. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell for more.